Wrote a song about you today, but I tore it all up and then threw it away. Almost had you, and I guess it doesn't care. Almost had you, and I didn't even know it. You kept me guessing, now I'm resting. Spend the time to say you. Almost had you. You've been pissed off for a week now, but nothing I could say could make you come. Or try to come. Is there anything that I can do? Anything to show you that but I love you anyway. Oh, you can't see, but you still put me to sleep. Forget all about the Lone Star State. You guys sing. Every slow dance. Everybody, spirit fingers. Sing. Now everybody jazz hands. Now everybody wacky waving inflatable arms like 2 men. That was really good. She's not the girl for me. No, it might be wrong. It's just a fantasy. You should never got you using a guy like me. Stacy's mom has got it going on. She's all I want, and I waited for so long. Stacy, can't you see? It's not the girl for me. No, it might be wrong, but I love Stacy. Stacy's mom has got it going on. She's all I want, and I waited for so long. Stacy, can't you see? It's not the girl for me. No, it might be wrong. Talk about movies, scenes with the groovy. If you were meaning goofies, bring the top up to me. As a fan of discipline, trying to get the girl on the bad guys one. She's the girl on the bad guys one. Cages hit the wall, she never had it all. One goes back a day, husband's a CPA. We're chasing out the door, she's her 20. She's been fixing in the town, waiting for her mother, never seen to everybody. Music's still on MTV, but you can't stay my school. Tell her that she's not cool, she's still preoccupied. 1985. 1985. She comes, issues on the radio.